Today I'm making my peanut butter cream filled cookies. In a medium bowl, add the peanut butter and the monk fruit sweetener. Then add the egg, the vanilla, and the salt. And mix that until a ball forms. Place the dough between 2 pieces of parchment paper. Then you're going to roll out the dough and cut into approximately 36 2-inch cookies. Depending on how thick you make the dough is how many cookies you're going to get. And if you like this video, please hit the like button and please subscribe for new upcoming videos. Also, I'll leave links in the description for the products used in this video. Use a fork and make crisscross imprints on the cookies. Then sprinkle with the granulated monk fruit sweetener. Bake on 350 for 15 minutes. And for the filling, add the peanut butter, softened butter, powdered sweetener, salt, and vanilla. Stir until creamy. Put the filling in a plastic bag. Twist the bag and cut a small hole in the corner. Fill half of the cookies, then put the top on. These are a really good, healthy treat. Your whole family will love them. Thanks for watching.